Hello, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to update the order of sample points that appear on a project page. So I'm on the SR81 project page right now, and I can come over to the sample points, and yeah, I'm just going to click on the sample point page just to show you real quick. So here's the order of the sample points, and they will be in this order on this page, as well as on the water quality data page. So say you want it to show up in a certain order, you can come over to sample points and update flow order. So yeah, it's in its order right here. So say I wanted like the exact inflow. So say 63 and 64 are the discharges. Say I want them to show up first, so I could just click and drag up here, and click and drag, and so forth. So that's pretty easy way. And then you have to just remember to click Save Flow Order. And then another way you could do it is you can go back to the page, and then you can come over here to Edit. And you can come to this box that says Flow Order. So 0, of course, shows up first, and then from there is the order. And then you have to remember to click Save. So yeah, those are two ways that you could update the order that you want the sample points to show up.